welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a Shuenk S500 Turbo. This is their Stage 1 turbo. It is supposedly capable of 500 horsepower. We have Logans 535. This is an N55 car. He needs some more power.
Got my car on the lift, got the Shuenk S500 Turbo, the B58TU pump, looking for 500. Hopefully we get that. We should with everything. We got all the doodads, the diverter valve, upgraded inlet pipe, all the goods.
So should be pretty spicy. Right now we're gonna start tearing this thing down.
This car will beat every single Audi in the world after the fact, including wheels.
Brother, what's that?
Got the B58TU pump, we gotta drill new holes. We still gotta get the template for that. I think we have that already. We should already have the template for it. Caulk this thing 90 degrees, 45 degrees, something like that. I have to check it out so it doesn't hit the intake. Should bolt right in though.
So if you guys are interested in purchasing this turbo, there'll be a link in the description. All right, so at first we're gonna install the B58TU high pressure fuel pump. We got the intake manifold lifted up. Got to cut quite a bit. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the entire intake manifold, give us more room, and we'll remove the stock high pressure fuel pump. So we're 3D printing the template to cut the B58TU high pressure fuel pump. And while we wait on that to finish up, we're gonna start on the S500 Turbo install. So we gotta remove all the shields underneath. We gotta brace the motor and pull the passenger engine mount. The one that we took to bins.
Will's taking me out.
All right, little update. We got the motor mount out, downpipe, everything. About to get this puppy pulled. It's got oil return, coolant lines we need to get taken off. And then I think it should just come right out the front, and then the other one will slide right in.
Should be pretty easy.
Should be pretty easy, man. That's what they say anyways, that's what they say. Check this out.
Woo! Oh my god. Buddy, you were on borrowed time. Holy crap, son.
Dang.
Dang.
Drive, huh? Where is that at? is the fucking freaking question, you know?
So you did need a turbo, is what that means.
Exactly, see? I was getting all this weekend too, but like us, you know, we're getting it.
All right, now that we have the turbo out, what are you doing now?
We are drilling for the B58TU pump. We 3D printed this little guy. It goes in these holes and tells us where to drill. We got it taped off so none of the metal goes in there. Hopefully it doesn't spit out.
So it's basically free horsepower.
All right, so got the B58TU pump in. Everything's fitting all right now that we caulked this over away from the block. It's just kind of going back together and seeing what she does now, you know, uploading the tune file and all that good stuff. She's close, she's close. I'm hoping this intercooler, this intake pipe fits. I really am. We're about to find out. I at least want to get this on here and then we can go up and Put that intake pipe on.
All right, the S500 Turbo is officially installed. Got the B58TU high pressure fuel pump. And next up, before we can start it, we got to tune it. So we are going to flash MHD off the shelf tune for now until we get the custom tune dialed in. And yeah, we'll at least be able to drive the car around, get a few sound clips maybe, and should be good to go.
Okay, so I've got talked into putting XHP on the car, and so we did the Stage 2 XHP tune. About to go for a spin and check it out, and hopefully not break nothing. Okay, just got the S500 Turbo put on and the B58TU pump. We went with the oversized inlet. About to go rip it and see if what she does. I don't know. Hopefully it's fast.
You can hear it down there. You can tell she's definitely faster.
Yeah, she's definitely faster for sure.
Oh shit. Dude, she pulls all the way to 7. Ooh. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to put the mic
in the car.
Yeah, in the engine bay.
Yeah. I don't want to get it too hot without the.
Yeah. For a stage 1 turbo, that's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
That's how we were getting through that.
Oh yeah, we are going to get through that. I was doing a little hot lap. We were doing a little lap.
I thought that was our whole game plan. Going back to the shop.
Yeah, I was like, okay, well, Logan's getting food.
Logan's in fuck y'all. I'm done.
No, we're gonna take it. I totally forgot his face. His face.
If you guys want to see more BMW content, European car content, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.